Hey guys, just to let you know the bell will probably ring during this video. I'm just going to show you today how we move from mole to mole, the known mole to the unknown mole. And what that means is that I'll give you the amount of this one, and this is a different formula, and we're looking for the amount in it. The steps are going to be the exact same. So here's our balanced equation. You always have to start mole to mole with a balanced equation. And you've been given, or you know, the amount of 15 moles. Your unknown is Al2O3. So what you're going to do is you're going to start your dimensional box. Now we need to know how many boxes are going to be up top. And the way that you figure that out is you come down here and you just count the stops on the bus stop that you have to go. You go 1, 2. So that means that there's only 2 boxes on the top. And you put your known amount always in the top left-hand box. It's going to be very important for you to always use the units, which is moles, and the formula, which is the oxygen. And then you're going to put your unknown, the way we've done it the whole time, up in this top right-hand box. Now we are going to slide our known unit and formula down and to the right. Okay, so now let's look back at that map. See how on that second mole, that's where the heart is? There's the bell. We're going to put a heart around this. And what that indicates to you is you don't, as of right now, know where these numbers come from. Because of that heart, it means those numbers are going to come from that balanced equation. That's what the heart tells us, to look at the balanced equation, because we love balancing equations. So you're going to look for the moles of O2, you just look at the number right in front of O2, and that's a 3. For the moles of Al2O3, that's a 2. So you're going to multiply straight across. 15 times 2 is 30. You're going to divide that by the 3 on the bottom. So you're going to have 10 moles of Al2O3. Let's do one more. Once again, we're going from moles to moles. We have 32 moles of H2S, which is our known amount. So we are going to put that in the top left-hand corner. We're going to moles of S. You're going to take the moles of H2S down here. Now we're going to look back up here. The known mole is right there. The unknown mole is the one that has the heart around it. So this section is going to have a heart around it, which means you look back up at that balanced equation. Moles of S is 3. Moles of H2S is 2. So you're going to multiply straight across. For this one, I'm going to have to use my calculator. So I'm going to multiply 32 by 3, and then I'm going to divide that, which is 96. I'm going to divide it by 2. It's going to be 48. And remember, you're just going to cross out the known units, the ones that repeat, and the one that doesn't repeat, or the one in the top right-hand box, is your unit of your answer. All right, we're going to do one more. Same thing, our balanced equation. We're going to start with 75 moles of O2. Remember, to know how many boxes you're going to go up here, you just see how many boxes you're going to need to go from one of these to the other of these. We're going from mole to mole. That's only 2 boxes. So we're going to start with that 75 mole, the known amount, in the top left-hand box. You're going to start with the units and the formula of the unknown in your top right-hand box. You're going to slide this unit and this formula down here. Looking back up here, the second mole, it's in the heart. The unknown moles, and always in the heart. So we're going to take this amount. Where the moles of O2 is, you're going to look up here. There's not a number there, which means it's a 1. where the moles of Cl2 is, there's a 2. So all you're going to do is multiply 75 times 2, and you're going to get 150. And remember, you're going to use that top right-hand formula. All right, I hope this helped.